Wait a moment. What does that mean? Well, I mean that we are not gonna make common gifts like a box of chocolate or some cookies. Instead, we are gonna make our own DIY cookie decorating kit that spells out our Valentine message. We will bake some yummy vegan letter cookies and pack them lovingly into a box with colorful frosting and sprinkles and send it off to our loved ones. So the recipient not only gets a box of yummy cookies, but also gets a very fun cookie decorating activity. Isn't that awesome? Oh, did I mention that this whole recipe is vegan? Now these are our ingredients. Flour, coconut butter cut into small cubes, sugar, flaxseed powder and water, vanilla extract, salt and baking powder. We also need a set of alphabet cookie cutters and a rolling pin, preferably with gum. Before we start, we need to create our vegan egg. Vegans don't eat animal products, and obviously an egg is an animal product. So, bye-bye egg! But don't tell Mommy. Making a vegan egg is super simple. We need some flaxseed and grind it into flaxseed powder. And pour the flaxseed powder into water and stir. After 15 minutes, our mixture will turn into a thick liquid, which we call a flax egg. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! First, beat the butter and the sugar on medium until light and fluffy. Next, add in the vanilla extract and the flax egg into the mixture. Remember to stir your flax egg before you add it in. In another bowl, mix the flour, salt and baking powder together. Turn the mixer to the lowest speed and add in the dry ingredients, 1 scoop at a time. Be careful not to overmix. The dough is ready! We are gonna roll the dough out. Using some letter cookie cutters, we're gonna punch out our Valentine's message and transfer each letter onto a baking plate with parchment paper. Isn't that pretty? Bake at 160 degrees for 20 minutes on the lowest rack. See you later! Ta-da! It's out of the oven! Cool on the tray for 5 minutes and transfer onto a wire rack to cool completely. As for the cookie icing, we need 3 simple ingredients. They are icing sugar, any unsweetened nut milk, and vanilla extract. Now whisk all 3 ingredients together. Assemble your DIY cookie decorating kit. You will need a box of shredded paper to hold it all together, piping bags to contain the icing, the favorite sprinkles packed into small containers, transparent bags to contain the cookies, an instruction card, a bow to tie the box up, and your Valentine's card. Our DIY cookie decorating kit with a hidden Valentine message. Your loved one not only gets a box of yummy cookies, but also gets a fun cookie decorating activity. The perfect Valentine pour it the